All right, J Overseas team, let's talk about something that's going to make your lives a whole lot easier. You know how many business cards you collect, right? Well, in this explainer, we're diving into a brand new system built to make that whole process pretty much effortless. We're talking about turning a really tedious task into maybe your most powerful tool for generating new leads.
I mean, we've all been there. You get back from a super long day of meetings, you've got this thick stack of business cards, and the absolute last thing you want to do is sit there and manually type every single detail into a spreadsheet. It's slow, it's boring, and let's be honest, how many times have you made a typo and not realized it till later? And this slide just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way. All that manual typing, the inevitable errors, and just so much wasted time. But now, look at the new way. It's instant. You just take a quick picture and the system is smart enough to pull out all the important data for you, automatically. It is a total game changer for your speed and accuracy. But here's the real shift in thinking. This isn't just about saving you some time on data entry. No, this is about changing that pile of cards from a huge hassle into a prioritized list of hot leads, so you can see almost instantly who your most valuable new contacts are. So here's the core promise, right here. You can take a whole stack of business cards and in about a minute, turn it into an intelligent, sorted, and ready-to-use list of leads. It's all about mixing that incredible speed with some serious smarts. So, how does it actually work? Well, getting your cards into the system is unbelievably simple, whether you're on your phone in the field or back at your computer. All you have to do are these three simple things. First, you open the Google Form link that your manager gives you. Second, tap Add File to upload a picture of the card. And third, you just hit that Submit button. And that is it. Your part is literally done. And you've got a few options here. You can snap a brand new photo of a single card, or just grab one you already took from your gallery. If you have a few, you can actually select multiple photos at once. But here's a pro tip for you. If you have a big stack, use an app like Adobe Scan to turn them all into one single PDF file. It is by far the fastest way to upload a whole batch of cards. Okay, so you've hit Submit. What happens next? Well, this is where the real magic happens. The system completely takes over and does all the heavy lifting for you. It's a completely automated workflow. The second you submit, the system uses something called OCR to read the text on the card. Then, the AI analyzes all that text to pull out the key details. And finally, it saves everything, perfectly organized into a shared Google Sheet. So what is this OCR thing? It just stands for Optical Character Recognition. And all it is, really, is the technology that lets a computer look at a picture of a business card and read the words on it, just like your own eyes would. It turns that picture of text into actual text data the system can work with. Simple as that. And right after the OCR reads the text, the AI steps in. Now this is the really smart part. See, it doesn't just see a block of words. It actually understands them. It knows what a name is, what a company is, what a phone number is. It can even figure out the state from the address details. So after all that techie stuff, what's the actual payoff for you? Let's look at the final output, because this is where the system really delivers all its value. All of that information that was pulled from the card lands perfectly organized in a master Google Sheet. And not only that, but the system also automatically sorts every contact into separate tabs based on their state. This makes it so easy to find and share leads for specific regions, like Maharashtra or Gujarat. And this right here, this is where the AI does its most important work, the potential customer column. It actually analyzes each company's business and automatically color codes every single lead for you. Green means, yes, they're a great fit. Yellow means, possibly, and red means probably not. Now, right next to that color code is the reason column, and honestly, this is your secret weapon. It explains why the AI gave that rating. So a yes might say something like, PVC pipe manufacturer, key buyer for calcium carbonate. So you know not just who to call, but you know exactly what to pitch them. So your whole action plan becomes crystal clear. Green means you call them immediately. These are your hottest leads. Yellow is for you to review manually. They might be a good fit, they might not. And red, you can safely ignore them and focus your energy elsewhere. This just makes your follow-up so much more efficient. Finally, let's just quickly cover a few best practices. You can think of these as pro tips to help you get the absolute best results right from day one. Here are your top 5 habits for success. 1. Bookmark the form link so you can get to it in one tap. 2. Always try to use good lighting for your photos to avoid any reading errors. 3. Try to upload your cards daily so your leads don't go cold.
4. Remember that PDF trick for 5 or more cards. And finally, number 5, always check that powerful reason column before you make a call. When you boil it all down, the entire workflow is really just 4 simple steps. Open the form, upload the card, wait about a minute, and then check the sheet. It is that simple, that fast, and that effective. And that's pretty much it. You are ready to start using the business card scanner. So the only question left is, with all that manual data entry completely gone, how are you going to use all the extra time you save each week? The time is yours. Happy scanning.